Hello everybody, welcome you all. In this class, I will be discussing the answer of the question that has been asked in 2019 paper 2 Sociology of OS examination. Question number 2, that is, what do you mean by planned social change? Describe its importance in social development. First of all, I will be telling you the fact, what is the meaning of social change. Then what is planned social change? You see, change means any alteration, any modification within a society or replacement of one society by another is called social change. Then what is planned social change? Planned social change is a desirable social change, bringing change in a particular dimension, in a particular direction, or in a desirable way is called planned social change. In India, there is a body that is called Planning Commission of India. In today's context, it is called Niti Aayog. This Niti Aayog is having the whole and sole responsibility of introducing planned social change in India. And here is the question, what role this planned social change is having in context of introducing social development in our society? First of all, I am citing many examples of planned social change. First is industrialization. Second is urbanization of our society. Third is our national population policy. Fourth one is different poverty eradication programs which were introduced since the day of attainment of independence till 2022. Then different employment generation programs, these are also planned social change. Then national education policy, then national health policy. Apart from that, even in context of national education policy, obviously giving emphasis upon technical education, giving emphasis upon vocational education, giving emphasis upon professional education, even as per the latest National Education Policy 2020, where emphasis has been given upon transforming India into the global knowledge, the hub of global knowledge superpower. That is also a part of your planned social change. Apart from that, particularly as per the recommendation of Second National Commission on Education, which was constituted in 1886, the Sarva Shiksha Abhijan scheme was introduced in our country. Sarva Shiksha Abhijan, in English it is universalization of elementary education, where emphasis was given for reducing the dropout rate, particularly among the girl children, girl students, scheduled caste students and scheduled tribe students. So these are the examples of different planned social change that has been brought to our country starting from the day of attainment of independence till the date. Apart from that, come to the second part of the question. Describe the importance of planned social change for social development of our country, that is India. So, what is social development? I am telling you the fact that economic development and social development, they are interrelated concepts. But social development is quite broader in scope compared to economic development. Economic development means increasing the GDP of a country, means increasing the GDP of our economy, increasing the per capita income of our country, increasing the per capita consumption calorie of our per capita consumption of our country, increasing per capita calorie intake of our country. This is economic development. But what is social development? Social development means economic development plus social justice. Economic development plus social justice, that is called social development. Means in India, economically people are unequal. Somebody is standing at higher position economically, somebody is standing at a lower position. So the people or the sections of people, those who are standing at the bottom of our society, those who are the poorest of the poorer sections of our society, particularly certain special facilities will be given to them, so that availing the special facilities, they would be able to overcome their marginalized position, and from margin position they would come to the mainstream position of society. Therefore, I am telling you, economic development plus social justice is called social development. So what is the role of planned social change? Because whenever any planning is made, starting from first planning of our country till the date, obviously special emphasis has been given for eradicating poverty, generating employment, and reducing the dropout rate of the girl students, reducing the dropout rate of the scheduled caste students, scheduled tribe students. So in this way, planned social change is trying to diffuse social justice into our country, so that obviously the people, those who are standing at the bottommost position of our society, people, those who are the poorest of the poorer sections of our society, tomorrow, in tomorrow's India, in future India, they would be able to come and occupy the mainstream position from the margin position of society. And in this context, you have to write, particularly you have to interpret the views of different sociologists with reference to planned social change. Even you can also analyze the view of Professor Amartya Sen, because Amartya Sen's approach is though economic approach, but in Amartya Sen's analysis, social justice is added with economic approach. So you can analyze also Professor Amartya Sen and Professor Dre's point of view. You have to analyze the Protestant ethics and spirit of capitalism given by Max Weber. Even you can also interpret poverty in terms of Marxian interpretation, that is, in vast ocean of poverty there are tiny island of prosperity. So this is all about the answer of the question, that is, what is planned social change and what is its importance for social development of our country. Let me wind up the class right now. Thank you a lot.